Automate what you do this season with the EXT Electric Tarp Opener. This heavy-duty electric conversion can easily be added to your existing manual roll tarp system. Now you can quickly roll your grain trailer tarp open and closed as a safe one-man operation. The worry-free design doesn't hyperextend in the wind and maintains a controlled motion while operating. The tarp rolls evenly and locks under a latch plate for a secure, tight fit. Stay in control of your tarp wirelessly or from a switch. The patented force transfer allows the EXT to climb heap loads and power through windy conditions that you may face while operating in the field. The high-torque motor rolls the tarp fast, keeping your farm operation running smooth and efficient. Built and tested in North Dakota by Bismarck Canvas, the EXT has proven first-rate functionality that lasts for years. Our electric conversion kits come pre-assembled for easy installation, and we ship all over the USA.